Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to play YouTube music in background. So let's get started. First thing first, open any web browser in your mobile device. Here I'm choosing the Chrome option available in my device and simply log into your account. After you log into your Chrome, tap on the search address bar and search for the youtube.com. And once you search for the YouTube, search for the song you want to hear in the background. Now once you have chosen the song, simply tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll get to see the share icon available in the top right corner, right next to the search address bar. Now scroll down and tap on the request desktop site option available there. Now it is converted into the desktop site. Now all you have to do is simply go back to the home screen, and you can also lock your phone and it will still play. So you can see I locked my iPhone and it is still playing in the background. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.